What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage, another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today we got this tool right here. This thing is a totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool. I think we'll be able to do this one in 2 minutes. This is the tool only, the Milwaukee Compact Blower. Let's get down to it. All right, so I was at Home Depot, and as we do, kind of just can't leave that place without like some sort of new tool. And this is one I've been wanting to get for a while, and I'll tell you a couple reasons why. Well, first off would be you can blow off your car if it has a bunch of crap on it. Also for drying your car, so like my car was sitting outside, I got a bunch of these little things. I can just blow that off and then blow it out of the garage, which is super cool. I also already have a bunch of Milwaukee stuff, like for example their backpack and a bunch of their other tools and things like that. So I could just go ahead and grab the tool only. Why did I not go with the big boy? Well, kind of because it's $200, but also because I felt like I could get away with doing a lot of stuff with this one, and I kind of want to. So if I'm gonna kind of try this one out, and if I ever want the second one, or the bigger one I should say, I'll go ahead with that. So packaging on this is just pretty basic. This is what you get when you get the tool only. It's not like this is, I don't think this is a brushless motor or anything like that, nothing too fancy there. It does come with, it looks like 2 little adapters here. Now this is kind of neat. It has kind of like all 3 together, which is super cool because we can do this. I'm pretty sure this is for like blowing stuff up, like if you were to blow up an air mattress or something along the lines of that. And then this would be the same way, like this one would be like for blowing up like beach balls and things like that. So we got this little extension tube, or maybe we should call it a velocity tube, I don't know. Assembles pretty easily, just with that little plastic piece here. And you could take this off if you want to, and then use this kind of quick connect like this. Boom. Oh yeah, now let's put a big old beefy M18 battery. Now, you're gonna need, obviously a battery with this, so I really like the XC5s, or, if you wanna go crazy, buy a stupid, ridiculous battery that probably costs more than this blower itself, you can go with the high demand 9 amp hour batteries. I think they even make 12s? Is that true? I don't know, I think that might be true. I think they even make 12 amp hour batteries, which are pretty hardcore. So let's go ahead and put this on here, make sure that is charged up. Yes, it is. All right, snap that on, make this thing super heavy. Now, some other things I was going to talk to you guys about that are cool to do with this tool. Campfires, right? So you're camping and you need a little bit of extra heat in your campfire. Blow this thing and turn this thing on, and you're gonna get a little bit of extra heat. So it does look like there are multiple modes here. Let's listen. 1, wow, actually that's pretty dang good. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 modes as far as the speeds go. That sounds like some pretty dang good wind. We're gonna try it out on number 3. I'm gonna just clean this stuff off. Oh yeah. That is pretty awesome. I tend to get like a lot of leaves and stuff on my car, so this will work very good to blow off stuff like this. And then when you get it on the ground, you just blow the ground down. Now, another really cool thing to have this for is, again, like I was saying, camping, campfires, but another one is camping and tents. So this thing is super small. It's not that big, to pack up with you. You can blow up your air mattresses with it. So that is awesome for camping and that sort of thing. And then cleaning out your tent. Everybody has like their broom that they bring with them when they're camping and stuff like that. You bring this thing, oh, you're gonna be everyone's best friend, because they're gonna be like, hey man, let me borrow that. You're gonna take it out of your tent and just move all the crap and dirt out of the tent super quick, and it's gonna be awesome. Now, I think I've kind of gone over this tool enough with you guys. Pretty inexpensive, very versatile. You can use it for different reasons. And yeah, I'm gonna try that out because I currently have one that's corded, pain in my butt. I really do not like cords. Then there's the gas powered versions, right? Gas power is cool. However, you got to mix that 2-stroke premix. And then you got to deal with like, how old's my gas? Do I have any gas? Do I have any premix? Am I out of oil? Does the carburetor run? Is the carburetor clogged? That sort of thing. The corded ones are like, do I have a freaking long enough cord? And do I really want to reel that out there? Because that's a real pain in the ass. So these things are pretty damn sweet. Like I said, there is a bigger version of this thing. It does cost more. I'm going to try this thing out, see how it does. And maybe I'll do a follow-up video with you guys. So thanks for watching. We will talk to you soon. Later, and wrench on.